Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now some of you guys probably noticed I changed my YouTube name, my banner, and my logo. Well, that's because I figured since I'm small enough right now, I would do a rebrand, and that's mainly just to help my SEO on YouTube, because Andrew's Engine Repair, it's kind of too broad. I figured if I had the name Small Engine inside my name and then some of my stuff, it would help my viewers, my new viewers, find my channel and help it better to grow. So it's going to be the same content, same wacky content, same, full repair guides and everything related to small engine repair, tool reviews. But so for my new viewers that just found this channel, if you guys want to subscribe, that'd be great. I'm going to have videos coming up, another repair video tomorrow. But for my current viewers, nothing's changing. It's all going to be the same, just a rebrand, just a different name change. It's now simply Small Engine Repair. So we're going to get right back into the repairs. It's just a quick update. I wanted to let you guys know that don't unsubscribe because you think your guy's gone, but nope, it's still Andrew here. We're still doing it. We're just doing it under a different name. We're gonna get back into the repairs. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna get stuff done. We're gonna get stuff fixed, and we're gonna have good times here. This is just to help my search, so when people see it, they know my channel is about small engine repair. I know there's some other car guys out there that do small engine repair every now and then as an offshoot, so someone might have saw one of my videos and said, oh, well, this was just an offshoot. I don't think he does full small engine repair, so it's in the name. I know not everybody has to have that, but I think that it would help my channel grow a little faster. So if you guys can, leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe. And for all my current subscribers, thanks for supporting me, thanks for being there, and thanks for watching my videos, and many more to come, guys. I hope to see you all then. Bye.